In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a book on Wix. Whether you're an author looking to sell your latest work, or simply wanting to share your manuscript as a free download or flip book, Wix offers versatile options to make your book accessible online. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to get your book effectively added to your Wix site. First things first, open the Wix editor. To do this, you'll need to go to www.wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site and open it in the editor. The Wix editor is your workspace, where you can customize your site and add new features, including our focus for today, your book. Now let's add your book. There are three straightforward options available depending on what you want to achieve. If you're looking to sell your book, you'll want to integrate it with the Wix Stores app. Begin by going to Add Apps in the editor, then search for Wix Stores and add it to your site. Once Wix Stores is set up, you'll add your book as a new product by selecting Digital File. This is where you'll upload your book, whether it's a PDF, EPUB, or another compatible format. Make sure the file is named appropriately and is ready for customers to purchase and download directly from your site. If you prefer to showcase your book in a more interactive way, you might like the option to create a flipbook. To do this, head over to Add Apps again, but this time you'll search for Flipbook. You can add this feature to your page, and it's as simple as uploading your book file. Visitors will be able to flip through pages just as they would with a physical book, providing them with an engaging online reading experience. Lastly, if you want to offer your book as a free download, this process is straightforward as well. Start by uploading your book file to Site Files. Once uploaded, you'll add a button on the page where you'd like the download to be available. When setting up this button, link it to the document you've just uploaded. By doing this, you create a seamless experience for your visitors, allowing them to easily download your book with a click. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at how to add a book on Wix. Whether selling, previewing, or allowing free downloads, Wix provides the tools to effectively share your book online. Take some time to explore these options and see which best fits your needs. Happy publishing!